Hello everyone, today I will show you how to delete images from your PDF file using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Now click on this home option, this menu bar, and click on this edit option and select. Now go your page and click on this image and select, and press delete key from your keyboard and say this image now selected and delete. Also delete this one and click on this image, and this image now select and select delete. Also I'll delete this one and click on this image and say this image now selected, and press delete key from your keyboard or press right button for your mouse cursor. Here you will find this delete option and see this. In this way you can delete all of your images from your PDF file and see this. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.